videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply an e-visa to travel to Taiwan if you are eligible. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Taiwan e-visa application website. Okay, they have given the eligibility. Okay, so you can read it out because based on that, like based on nationality and some other requirement, you may or may not be eligible. And once you find that yes, you are okay, then click on confirm and continue. So first is to put your nationality. Okay. I'm just putting sample. You do it as per your own case. Passport number, do it as per your own case. Email, verification code, and then click on send. So this is the captcha. So I'm going to do this and then I'm going to see you guys. Okay. So you see that it is in the 8 stages, this whole process, and we are on number 1, travel purpose. I select tourism, 30 days, number of interest single. Do I have any option to change it? No. Okay, fine. So, yeah, can I change 30 days? No. Now we are going to page 2. What it is, upload photo and data page of passport, surname, given name, date of birth, place, country of birth, gender. So I'm gonna do this and going to page 3 and then I'm gonna see you guys. We are on page 3. Okay. Select your passport type. For most of the people, it will be regular. Passport issuance date. Okay. You can use this date picker also. Okay. I can do it now. Maybe because I clicked. Make sure you match the format. Place of issuance. Nationality. Okay. Whatever it is. Have you held any other passport country region? Address in home country. Of course, you know your home country address. We are on page 4. Telephone number. Current address. Current phone number. Expected date of arrival. Departure. So remember 30 days, guys. Hotel name or address of applicated Taiwan. Okay. I assume you have booked the hotel. So you have the address, phone number, name of the company, agency you serve. Okay. New ID. Address. Phone number. Name of contact person. So if you just book the hotel, you can get it from the hotel also. Like they'll provide you this such details. Relationship with a strong person. That's a hotel representative. Have you any criminal record within the outside hours? I select no. Have you entered illegally? No. Communicable disease, overstayed, work illegally, drug trafficking, refused visa, applied for a visa, different name, worked, no. Was the application filled by yourself? I select myself. I go to page 8. Page 8 is basically, guys, confirm and then submission. So I'm not gonna go there, but this is how it works, guys. So let me know, guys, what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.